This is our 93rd practice question. All projects have assumptions and constraints, and it's important to identify this as early as possible in the project. Which of the following is representative of a project constraint? A. A project that must be finished by the year's end. B. A project that has a huge number of stakeholders. C. The requirements to complete EVM. Or D. The requirements to produce a new product. And the correct answer is option A. A project that must be finished by year's end. Answer B is not constant but of project attribute. Option C is incorrect because it is described a project requirement, not a project constraint. Option D is incorrect because the requirement to produce a new product may be the project itself, not the constraint. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.